Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Creative Shiva AIO. So today's title is some basics about VB.net. This is the second part of basics of VB.net. In today's title, there are 10 agendas. In these agendas, the two agendas are new and the 8 agendas are old. So I will tell you by the detail. First one is basics of VB.net, some easy codes to learn, how to make a notepad, how to write and run the codes, how to add YouTube videos in VB.net, how to add pictures in VB.net, how to create a progress bar in VB.net, how to embed YouTube videos in VB.net, what is the use of numeric up down in VB.net, and last one, what is the use of button in VB.net. I hope this video helps you to know about Visual Basic. So let's start the video. Basics of VB.net. Visual Basic. Visual Basic is an object-oriented programming language and it supports the concept of encapsulation, abstraction, polymorphism, etc. The full form of VB.net is Visual Basic. VB.net is easy to learn. This programming language is one of the easiest language that we learn easily. In below, these are some basic controls of VB.net. Some easy codes to learn. First one, to make a menu strip, select the menu strip and drag it in layer. Then rename it as exit. If you want to make the code of exit, then double click on menu strip. Then if you want to make a code of exit in menu strip, so write only exit. Then run the program and check it will work. To make a addition in calculator, the code is select button from toolbox, then drag it in layer and three text boxes in layer. Then double click on button and then write that in which text box do you want the answer. Then write text box 1 dot text as I want the answer in text box 1. So I write text box 1. Then val means value of text box 3 dot text plus text box 4 dot text. So these two are the easy codes that we learn easily. How to make a notepad? There are some steps to make a notepad. First one, go to your toolbox and select rich text box. Second, drag and drop the rich text box in layer, then resize it as your wish. Then run the layer. Check that your notepad was ready. How to write and run the codes. When you completed your codes, then in top you would have to see the play button. When you click on it, then you can be able to run your codes. If you want the shortcut key to run your codes is F5. If you want to write the codes, then simply double click on which you want to write the codes box will appear now. You can write and run the codes. How to add YouTube videos in VB.net. There are some steps to add YouTube videos in VB.net. First one, right click on any item from toolbox, then select choose item option. After clicking choose item, a tab will show. In tab, click on COM components and then scroll down and find shockwave flash object. Then add it in your toolbox. Then take a YouTube link which you want, then modify it as example. For example, the default link is this and the modified link will look like this. We have to remove the equal sign from it and place a slash in front of V and remove watch question mark from the link, and you can see that your modified link was ready. In below, It is a pictorial example that how the shock wave flash object logo looks like. How to add picture in VB.net. There are some steps to add picture in VB.net. Go to your toolbox and find for picture box. Click on it and drag, then resize it as your wish. And in it properties, search for image and click on import files. Select any picture, then click on OK button. The picture will appear on picture box. In below, it is the pictorial example that how the picture box looks like. How to create a progress bar in VB.net. There are some steps to create a progress bar. Drag the progress bar and timer in the layer, then open the code box of timer. Then write as per example progress bar 1 dot value equals to progress bar 1 dot value plus 1. If progress bar 1 dot value equals to progress bar 1 dot maximum, then progress bar 1 dot value equals to 0, timer 1 dot enabled equals to true, application dot do event open bracket close bracket, and the last one end if. Then go to the timer's properties and search for enabled and interval. Then type the value in interval as 10 and in enabled keep it as true. How to embed a calendar in VB.net. There are some steps to create a calendar in VB.net, which are: go to your toolbox and select month calendar. Then drag and resize as your wish. Then you can see that your calendar was ready. Then there is an another type of calendar also in the toolbox, which is known as date time picker. If you want to choose the calendar, like if you want to click on the date time picker, it shows as normal calendar. So this date time picker saves your space in form. It shows like the given below example. What is the use of numeric up down feature in VB.net? The user can increase and decrease the number by clicking up and down button by pressing the up and down arrow key or by typing a number. In below, it is the pictorial example of numeric up down. What is the use of button in VB.net? The button control represents a standard Windows button dot. It is generally used to generate a click event by providing a handler for the click event. In below, these two pictures are the pictorial example of button. So, friends, thanks for watching and sparing your valuable time to me. It always motivates me to upcome with my passion. So, subscribe my channel, like, share, and comment it. So, bye bye.